Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today I will start the main points of the lesson Bholi. So please listen it carefully and try to write it. First is Bholi was the youngest daughter of Ramlal. Next is she damaged a part of her brain when she fell off from her cot just when she was 10 months old. Next is when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of smallpox. Next is a fairy and pretty child was disfigured with pockmarks. Next, Voli was thought to be a simpleton and a backward child who stammered while speaking. Next is all other daughters of Ramlal were good looking and healthy. Next is Ramlal was worried about Bholi as she had neither good looks nor intelligence. Next is the Tehsildar inaugurated a primary school for girls in the village. Next, he asked Nambardar Ramlal to set an example before the villagers by sending all his daughters to school. Next point Ramlal couldn't disobey the Tehsildar and it was decided to send Bholi to his school. Next point Bholi was bathed, oil was rubbed into her matty hair, and she was given a clean dress that no more fitted Champa. Next point then Bholi started to think that school was a better place than home. Next point is at school Bholi was pleased to see so many girls of her age and hoped to befriend one of them. Next point is the teacher asked her name but she couldn't pronounce it. Next point is Bholi was ashamed that even after so many efforts she couldn't pronounce her name. Next point the teacher was very friendly and sympathetic and encouraged her to try again. Next point is at last Bholi succeeded in saying Bholi and the teacher patted her for her success. Next point is the teacher assured her that very soon she could start speaking like all others without stammering. Next point is she gave a picture book to Bholi and hoped that she would finish it within a month. Next point the teacher encouraged and assured Bholi that she would be the most learned girl in the whole village. Next point is an offer of for marriage came from a prosperous grocer Bisambar for Bholi. The bridegroom was rich, had his own house and thousands of rupees in the bank. The bridegroom was almost of the same age as of her father, and he had also grown up children from his first wife. Bholi reluctantly agreed for marriage just to keep the honor of her family. On the wedding day, Bisambar came with a large party of friends and relatives. Next point is when Bisambar was ready to garland Bholi, he happened to see her face suddenly. Next is he cried that he would not marry a girl with pockmarks. Next point is Ramlal put his turban at his feet, but he was not moved. Next is at last he agreed to marry Bholi if her father gave him 5,000 rupees as dowry. Next point is, in the end, Ramlal went inside and came out with a bundle of notes and put it at the feet of the bridegroom. Next point, when Visambar was about to garland Bholi, she snatched the garland and threw it away into the fire. Next point is, she spoke that she would not many or mean greedy, and she would not marry marry a mean, greedy, and coward like Visambar. Next is, everyone, including her parents, were stunned to hear Voli speaking all this without stammering. Next point is, Ramlal called her crazy and asked what she would do, as no one would even marry her. Next point is, Bholi replied that she would serve her parents in their old days and teach in the same school from where she had learnt so much. Last point is, her teacher was seeing the whole drama, standing in a corner, agreed with Bholi and said, "Yes, Bholi, of course." So, this is the main point. Now, I will discuss the character of this lesson. First one is Bholi. Now, main point for this character is thought to be a simpleton. Next, went to school, teacher encouraged her. Next, decided to serve all parents and teach in the same school. Had pock marks over the body. Refused to marry a greedy and mean person. Next character is Ramlal, father of seven children, worried about Bholi, neither good looking nor intelligent. Next is overlooked Visambar's age and limping. Next is suffered from a false sense of honor. Third character is the teacher, kind and sympathetic, increased Bholi's interest in books, agreed to accept Bholi as a teacher in the same school, encouraged Bholi to speak. So these are the character of this lesson.